Hello everyone, I welcome you all to this class. This is mathematics class, and today we are here to study this topic again, integration. And in particular, we'll be looking at the integral of the form of the following form. We have integral of the function of the form 1 over square root of a squared minus x squared. Then the result will be sine inverse of x over a plus c. This also follows in all these ones we have here. We have integral of minus 1 over square root of a squared minus x squared. This one is similar to the first one, but this one has negative sign here. The result will be cos inverse of x over a plus c. X is what? The square root of the square of this variable here, and a is what? The square root of this constant here, square root of a squared, because square root of a squared will give you a. Then plus constant of integration c. Then this one we have integral of 1 over a squared plus x squared. Then the result will be 1 over square root of this a squared, that's a, multiplying tan inverse of x over a, that's square root of this your variable squared, divided by square root of this a squared, then plus constant of integration c. Then this one will have integral of minus 1 over a squared plus x squared. Then we have the result will be 1 over a cot inverse of x over a plus c. We have another one is integral of 1 over x square root of x squared minus a squared. Will be the result is 1 over a sec inverse of x over a plus c. So all these integrations are performed with respect to what? Variable x. So let's look at this example. They ask us to evaluate the following. The first one they ask us to evaluate is integral of 1 over square root of 9 minus x squared. So let's look at where it falls. It falls under number 1. It's integral of 1 over square root of your a squared, that's a constant, minus, we have minus here as well, then our variable squared. Then from what we have there, the result will be what? Sine inverse of x over a. That is x, remember x is square root of this your variable square, square root of x squared, that's x over, what is your a? A is the square root of this number here, because square root of a squared, any number here we'll call it a squared. So what is here is what? 9. So 9 is that a squared. Then square root of it will give you a. The square root of 9 is what? 3. Then plus constant of integration c. So we'll look at this. We'll look at the second one. The second one is, that's the b. Question b is integral of 1 over x squared plus 25. So let's know where it falls. We have integral 1 over our variable square plus what? Constant square. So let's know where it falls. So looking at it, this falls under what? The third one I have written here. Integral of 1 over a squared plus x squared. You know that x squared plus 25 is the same as 25 plus what? X squared. They are the same thing. So it falls under this third one. And the result will be 1 over a tan inverse of what? X over a plus c. So the result of this will be what? 1 over a. What is a? A is what? A is the square root of this a squared. What is your a squared? A squared is the number you have here. The number I have here is what? 25. So what is square root of 25? 5. So you write 1 over 5. Then tan inverse. You can say tan inverse, you can say arctan. Tan inverse of what? X over a. Our a calculated it to be 25. Plus constant of integration c. So this gives us the result of question 2. So look at the question c. integral of 1 over x square root of x squared minus 4. So let's know where this one falls. So looking at what I have here, this falls under the last one. Integral of 1 over x square root of x squared minus a squared. Now we have x here, we have x here. We have square root, we have square root. We have x squared, we have x squared. We have minus, we have minus. We have 4. We have 4 here. We have a squared. So this a squared is this 4, right? Then they say that the result will be 1 over a, right? If a squared is 4, then what will be a? A is square root of a squared. That's square root of 4. So I will not write a here. That will be 1 over square root of 4 is what? 2. Square root of 4 is 2. Then sec inverse or arcsec. Sec inverse of x over a. We calculated a to be 2. X over 2 plus constant of integration c. So this brings us to the end of this class.